adlaw mga higala. Again, I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be doing easy chocolate chip cookies, okay? If you don't have mixer, okay lang. And guys, since it's holiday, pa-holiday na pala actually. So, make sure you have time na mag-bond sa kids nyo. Okay, so this is best. Let's start. For the ingredients, we have flour, brown sugar, granulated white sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, baking soda, chocolate chip, your walnuts, and your butter. Okay, let's start. Cream first your butter, brown sugar, and your granulated white sugar. Okay. Cream this one together for around 2 minutes. Then you mix your flour and your soda. Then put the egg and your vanilla extract. And then lastly, you fold your flour mixture. Okay. Just until ma-incorporate siya, that's okay already. This time, fold in your Chocochips and your walnuts. Guys, don't forget to toast your nuts, okay? And then this one is optional, okay? But mine, I like it with chocolate chunks. It's a chocolate bar na chinap mo, okay? So I added mga 1/4. Optional yan. If you don't like, Chocochips is okay. By the way, I'm using Burial's chocolate chip and Burial's dark chocolate na bar. Okay. And then, prepare your cookie sheet and your ice cream scooper. Mas mabilis if ice cream scooper, guys. Para pantay-pantay. Okay? If walang ice cream scooper, it's okay. You can use your kutsara. And then, bake this one for about mga 15 to 20 minutes, okay? At 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Yan guys, after mga 15 minutes, this is your chocolate chip cookies, okay? So, very easy to make for holidays or pwede nyo panregalo sa Christmas. So, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!